Videoing you. You ready to go home?
Well, honey, I'll tell you what. Sadly, it's come to an end. It's been
It's sad, ain't
a
it?
wonderful vacation.
I see Mom's up.
But I will be glad to get back to.
You're gonna be ready to get back to the swimming
I'm
pool,
about ready
ain't
to
you?
get back to the pool and get back to Huntington life, I guess, for a little while. But yes, I enjoyed every single moment of being here on this trip. It's been a wonderful trip, I think.
Well, drink your coffee up. We'll be headed out soon.
For me to take with me. Ooh, you feel that? Feel how soft it is. Have to put that in the car.
I thought you might like that.
Yeah.
I was trying to come up with something for you that you didn't have, and I thought you might like that.
What is it, babe?
See how it goes.
I tell you what, if I had a pillow that felt like that, I'd be happy. It was nice. I thought, wow, this is really squishy.
Yeah, I'll try that on the way.
Might help the back, huh?
It might, I hope so.
What are these? Poop. Poop marshmallows.
Why didn't you take marshmallows?
We could have used them the other day. You think my car stinks? Is this the one that was in the drawer?
No, it's not the one in the drawer. It's the one I bought you. And you'll love that one. Carol has that one in her car, and every time I get in there, it smells so good.
This is Christmas all over again for me.
Me and you went and bought that, didn't we, honey?
Yep.
We gotta get by. I got my dad some things too.
Yep.
From a hero. Heronas.
Well, you're my daddy's honey, so you deserve double.
Boy. Huh? I never liked those big cups. I never used them until you got me that other one.
Yeah.
I use them all the time.
He opened the one from church. And it has an extended handle.
Oh yeah. Thanks.
Did you get him a present for Father's Day? You're such a good girl.
Big present.
Huh?
I said, she's the bestest.
Well, I tell you what, she sure played with Ronnie this time.
I just got home and I'm unloading everything out of the car, and I just thought I would share this with you. So funny, because if you guys watch my vlogs all the time, you guys know that I have been wanting these bowls. Gabe's got them, and they were way cheaper than the regular store. And I had some in my buggy, and Mom said, oh, put those back. You don't need those. So I put them back, and she had bought them for me. I didn't know it, but anyhow, she had bought them for me, and I got 4 of these for Ronnie, and he is going to love these because they're deep, be easy for him to eat out of, so it's wonderful. Then she got me this. It's a Piggy Pop. It is Baked Tasty Pigs in a Blanket. I'm going to give this a go. It says you can make brownies, eggs, pancakes, and more in these, and I can't wait to try that out. She bought that. She thought that would be cute to do something on my YouTube channel. Now she sent these with my dad, but I got these plates. Aren't these pretty? These are so pretty. I haven't washed them and put them away yet, but I think those are so pretty. I've got clothes already in the washing machine going, and we're getting back settled into being home. I am washing clothes, and I thought I would share this with you. Are these not the prettiest things? I love handmade dish towels. If you guys have never used a handmade dish towel before, you're missing out. These actually can get wet and scrub your dishes, and they work awesome. And my mom gave me a bunch of them when I was in. Now this is a granny square. You can actually use it to scrub, but these close net ones like these are the ones you can scrub your clothes or your dishes with. I'm looking at that. That's why I said clothes. Bought some Gain detergent while I was in Morgantown. This will last me for 6 months. And I also got, I wanted to show this. If you guys have an Ollie's in your neighborhood, this is a very, very good coffee. It was delicious. My dad bought it, and it was so, so good. So I bought me a case of it, and I'm going to switch over my wash to the dryer. Oh, I know what else I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you this. This was something else that was new. If you've not ever seen it before, my mom found it at Ollie's, and it smells amazing. It's the essential oils, and it smells really, really good. She's been using it half and half, like a little bit of this with the regular detergent, and it's just enough, and it smells amazing. So I just put some pictures of Ronnie and I on my desktop from our trip. I think I'm pretty fond of this guy right here. Right there. Isn't that sweet? We had a good time on our trip. Hello everybody, I'm checking in. I'm going to end the vlog here. Traveling and unpacking is tiring. I just got everything out of the suitcase, and I am ready to relax a little bit and have some wind down time. Traveling in a car is so exhausting, and it is so sad because our vacation is completely to an end, and I'm already looking forward to going back. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this little bit of a travel back home and a little bit of my day kind of video. Be looking forward to some haul videos, some cleaning videos. I've even got a little bit of a different video that's going to be coming out. So be looking for that, and invite your friends to subscribe. Watch. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. If you're new, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have a blessed day whenever you see this. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.